this mini-series on pricing has demonstrated, establishing the cost for a website project is multifaceted. We've already discussed how the makeup of the client team, page count, content density and complexity, and design all factor into price. In this video, I'll describe how advanced features contribute to project costs. These include e-commerce, advanced events and calendaring systems, membership accounts, and API integrations with third-party platforms. Each one of these features could have its own video since they all have plenty of factors to uncover, but we'll just hit on a few of the most pertinent requirements. But keep in mind, as requirements get more advanced, there's a corresponding increase in the trust-building effects of strategic Q&A. The more involved the use case, the more the client will need to rely on their developer, and so the clearer you address these issues without blinding the client with technical jargon, the greater the opportunity to build trust. The most common advanced feature is e-commerce, and thankfully, at least in the WordPress environment, there's a robust go-to solution. WooCommerce is built and maintained by Automatic, the company behind WordPress itself. WooCommerce powers over 6 million sites, including shops for top brands like Home Depot and UPS. WooCommerce, out of the box, is quite robust, but when you factor in its various extensions and the over 6,000 third-party plugins available, there is rarely a use case WooCommerce cannot satisfy. That said, WooCommerce is a pretty big engine to install, and so if a client's transactional requirements are relatively simple, they might not need something as robust as WooCommerce. A simple Gravity form with a payment processor add-on like Stripe might be enough to get the job done. So, asking strategic questions about the scope of e-commerce helps to fit the client with the right tools. Another common advanced feature is event calendars. Regarding events, you need to ask questions like, will events need to be ticketed and require payments? If so, will the event system need to track the sales and stop selling tickets when the available seats are full? How many events are held on average each year? Again, the WordPress environment has several high-powered event frameworks to meet all these kinds of requirements. And with so many extensions and add-ons, a robust calendar system can be deployed within a low-code, no-code approach. The key is asking the right questions to match needs with the right framework and configuration. Some websites sell membership subscriptions or perhaps offer member-only content for registered visitors. And once more, there's a wealth of options for adding membership frameworks to WordPress. Whether it's a simple registration system or a more robust learning management system requiring paid subscriptions, these kinds of advanced features can be set up without the need for advanced custom coding. The last item I'll cover in this video is third-party API integrations. Most commonly, this involves pushing web form data or email marketing subscriptions into a CRM like Salesforce or HubSpot, or into an email marketing platform like MailChimp or ActiveCampaign. And again, because WordPress has such a robust secondary marketplace of plugin developers, we can often find tools that have API integrations built right into their native capabilities. But of course, if a third-party platform is unique or specialized, we can always write a custom API. That's usually where the low-code part of our low-code, no-code philosophy becomes necessary. Last point on third-party integrations. Over the past couple years, we've seen some pretty advanced WordPress frameworks emerge that can even replace the need for some of those third-party CRMs and email marketing platforms. For example, Fluent CRM offers a complete customer relationship management system and an automated email marketing platform right within WordPress. If a client doesn't already have a deep investment in a third-party CRM or marketing platform, this kind of system can turn a basic WordPress site into a complete marketing operating system. There are many potentially advanced features to ask about and explore in the website proposal process, and educating your prospect on the options and alternatives is a huge opportunity to build confidence and trust. In the next video, we'll wrap up our pricing series by addressing how the topic of website accessibility and how the various levels of compliance can impact the cost of design and development. So, until then, be clear, build trust, win clients.